Hello, hello. Happy Monday, Facebook. Thank y'all for watching. Those of you watching on the replay, comment, let me know you watched on the replay with the word replay. Happy Memorial Day. Welcome to Make It Yourself Monday. If you've never been here, sorry, just oiling up a little bit. What I do on Make It Yourself Monday is I show you a DIY thing that you can do with Young Living essential oils. It's kind of like a toxin-free swap, so I show a lot of different things that you can make yourself and have them toxin-free and knowing what the ingredients are. I hope everyone's having a really good Memorial Day. This video is actually going to be awesome because I'm actually going to give away what I'm making, and trust me, you're going to want this, or you know somebody that wants this. So to enter in the giveaway, all you have to do is share this video. If you want a couple extra entries, you can tag some friends in it. I'll go back and look at the shares later on this week, and that's how I'll pick, and then whoever, and also adding the I'll also add the ones that tag people. So then I'll do a giveaway for this. So what we're going to do for this giveaway is something that everybody needs right now. I know I personally need. I have my own right here, so I'm going to show you how to make one. This is my seasonal roller. So seasonal support is something that you can use when there's pollen floating around outside. Comment, let me know where you're watching from, because I don't know if everybody else is having the same problem with pollen as we are. I'm in Western North Carolina, and the pollen right now is just insane. It's floating around everywhere. And it tends to keep a lot of people indoors or with their windows shut. Even kids have a lot of issues. Something that I love to make is a seasonal support roller, and it's super easy. I'm going to show you how to do it, and then I'm going to give away this roller. So again, to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is share this video, tag a couple friends for extra entries. So the oils I'm going to use in this video are lemon, hey Kristen, peppermint, lavender, and copaiba. So what I've got here is, just an empty roller bottle. I've got these on Amazon. They're little purple ones. And a roller bottle is basically, instead of the top of the oil bottle having this right here, I think it's called an orifice reducer, and it basically drops the oil out. What the roller bottle allows you to do is it has a little metal roller ball on it, and you can basically roll it on anywhere. So this is my seasonal roller, pre-made, and all I do is roll it on the back of my neck. Super easy. I can enjoy the outdoors. I don't have to worry about pollen. So I'm going to show you how to make this, and I'm also going to tell you how cheap it is to make. So all you're going to do is put in about 3 to 5 drops of each oil, and each of these oils, lemon, peppermint, and lavender, and copaiba, are all in the starter kit. So if you have your starter kit, this is something you can make right away. Another good trick I like to do if you have a lot of issues is take some lavender and take a Q-tip and just swab the Q-tip around the top of the lavender, and then swab it around on the inside of your nose. It works really, really good too. I've been using this a couple times a day lately. I put it on the bottom of my kids' feet. And the reason I do that is because with kids, you want to do oils on the bottom of their feet most of the time. If you don't know how their body's going to react to it, always dilute. And just for my kids, I know they're not going to be messing with it, and they're not going to get peppermint in their eyes. It's just going to go on the bottom of their feet. It's going to be absorbed the same way. And then all I'm going to do after I put my 3 to 5 drops of each of the oils, I'm going to take a carrier oil. Carrier oil is like a fatty oil, such as coconut oil or almond oil or avocado oil. This is Young Living's V6 oil. I really like it. I got it for free 1 month, and I've just been using it. So then you're just going to fill up the rest of the bottle with the carrier. And then you're just going to stick the roller ball on top. And these just pop in. That's simple. And that's it. So basically how you would use this if you would like a little bit more support with all this pollen going around. This is a great healthy option. There is no side effects or anything like that. Nothing damaging going into your body. This is all plants, guys. And obviously lemon's not, is a fruit. But super easy. So you can use it either on the bottom of your feet, your sinus pressure points. So pretend this was my foot and my toes. Your sinus pressure points are going to be right here on your toes, so you can just rub it on the bottom of your toes. I personally like to rub it right on the back of my neck. Some people like to use it around their temples. I just feel like putting it here, I can literally feel like my whole head, my sinus area and everything just opening up. It just, like it's clearing the way. It's just really refreshing. So here's your little seasonal support roller. Again, if you want to enter, just share the video, tag a couple friends for some extra entries. And I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you have any other suggestions, what you would like to see on Make It Yourself Monday, please leave them in the comments. I also wanted to tell you that this roller, cost-wise, I added it up per drop, and it only ends up being $1.50 worth of oils, and then a little bit of carrier oil, which is kind of hard to, it's really like hardly anything. And this would last you a couple months, even if you were using it every day, a couple times a day. So less than $2 for a couple months worth of seasonal support. It's way worth it, guys. Plus, no toxic chemicals. Again, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you have a wonderful Memorial Day. Bye.